Hello there. Usually, sometimes when we try to start a tiller, we find some faults. It won't start, and usually there are some problems. One of these problems can be a faulty spark plug. So today we're gonna check if the spark plug is faulty, how to clean it, and also how to check if it produces any spark. Okay, let's start and we'll show you how. So here we have the spark plug. It is usually located here or in other places around the motor, and there are different types of pipes. We take off the pipe, we have to use a bit of force to pull it out, and there we have the spark plug. To remove the spark plug, we have to use an appropriate tool which will help us pull it out safely without any damage. This has a 360 head and it's perfect to use in tight places. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, wait a second. So we just put in the socket and we turn anti-clockwise. So slowly, sometimes they will be stuck a bit. So as you can see, this is coming off sweetly. And we are nearly out. Not all spark plugs are of the same length, so we have to check. So the spark plug is this one, and the sparks travel, let me show you easily, from this pin to the rod, and that is what causes the combustion. So first thing first is, if we have a dirty spark plug, we clean it with a sandpaper. First we clean the upper pin and then the lower pin. Once we can see a bit of shine, that is a clean spark plug. Usually if it's dirty, we change them because they are not that expensive. But if you're caught on one foot, you can just clean them a bit just to get the job done. Next thing, to check for a spark, we put it back in the pipe, click it well, and make sure the spark plug contacts a metal surface. This is the silencer, so it will be in contact with it. I'll switch off the lights so you can see if we have any small sparks here. I'll turn it a bit better. Hopefully we can see it. I'll pull up on the pulley and hopefully you saw it. That means that the spark plug is good. Therefore, the problem isn't that we don't have any spark, but there is something else. We'll continue on this mini series about what small checkups to do when your tiller or any other small engine won't start, to help you go around. These are small tips. It's important to start your spark plug by hand so that there are no threads going haywire, and we start with the slowly tightening till it's sure it's a bit tight, and then it's important, don't over tighten, cause we will shred away the threads. We just plug it in, and that is a fixed problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe. Thank you.